Magandang araw sa inyo, grade 11 students. So in this presentation, we will talk about general mathematics, specifically module 1 for quarter 1, which is the functions. So ano nga ba ang function? Ang function ay correspondence o yung tinatawag nating relations, pero ang function is an special type of relation. Bakit natin tinawag na special type ng relation ang function? Because function contains element in the domain which corresponds to exactly one element in the range. Ibig sabihin nito, bawat element ng domain ay mayroong correspondence value or element in the range, wherein dapat hindi siya mauulit for us to consider that the relation is a function. Ano nga ba ang domain at ang range? When you were in grade 8 or 9, tinuruan kayo ng inyong teacher on how to graph certain points in the what we call Cartesian plane. So ito po yung tinatawag nating ordered pair, wherein yung 2 ay tinatawag nating x values or x coordinate or the abscissa, while 3 is the y value or the y coordinate or the ordinate. But in this general mathematics, ang itatawag na natin kay 2 ay domain, while kay 3 ay range. Ngayon, paano ba natin malalaman if the relation is a function? So meron tayong mga paraan kung paano natin malalaman if the relation is a function or not a function. Una, we have ordered pairs. Pangalawa, table. Pangatlo, diagram. And pang-apat, through graph. So, isa-isahin natin. Paano natin malalaman if the ordered pairs is a function or not? Or if the set of ordered pairs is a function or not? In set 1, we have ordered pairs 3, 4, negative 2, 6, 7, 8. Wherein, as you can see, there is no domain being repeated, so therefore number 1 is classified as a function. While number 2, as you can see, we have in this set the elements of the domain is being repeated, and what element is that? And that is A. So therefore number 2 is considered as not a function. And in set number 3, as you can see, all the values of x or the domain is 2. So therefore, this is not considered as a function. So ganun lang kadaling mag-identify if the set of ordered pairs is a function or not. Papaano? Titingnan nyo lang yung domain. Kapag ang domain ay naulit, therefore that is not a function. While in the table, as you can see here, I have here two examples, the blue table and the yellow table. So in the x values of the blue table, I have here the elements of A, B, C. While in y, as you can see, merong naulit na element which is 4. But don't you worry kasi wala tayong pakialam kay y values. Ang focus lang natin ay kay x. Kapag si x ay hindi naulit, siya ay function. So the blue table is a function, while the yellow table is not a function because of 3, kasi naulit si 3. Next, we have here the diagram. I have here the first diagram in the left side. Kung ilalagay natin sila sa ordered pair, we have here ordered pair Renz Erica, Alvin Erica, Alfred Erica. So nauulit lang si Erica, which is the y values, and then si Renz, Alvin and Alfred ay hindi naulit. So yung si Renz, Alvin at Alfred, siya ay nagre-represent to x value, and Erica represents the y value. Ibig sabihin, diagram 1 or the left side diagram is a function. While in diagram number 2, as you can see here, kung ililipat natin sila sa ordered pairs, we have here 4, 5, 4, negative 9, 7, 11. So, kung papansinin ninyo, naulit ng 2 beses si 4. So therefore, this diagram is not a function. Next, true graph. So meron tayo dito sa graph number 1 sa left side, which is an example of the graph of ellipse. And in number 2 graph, we have here the example of the parabola, which opens upward. So paano natin malalaman if the graph is a function or not? Gagamit tayo ng tinatawag nating VLT. VLT stands for vertical line test. Pag tinest natin ang vertical line at tinamaan ang graph ng more than once, therefore this is not a function. So in diagram or in graph number 1, mapapansin na tinamaan ng vertical line test ang graph ng ellipse ng 2 beses. So therefore that is not a function. While in graph number 2, mapapansin na kahit ilang beses ka mag-vertical line test, isang beses lang tatamaan ang graph ng parabola that opens upward. So, yung unang graph ay not function, pero yung pangalawang graph ay function.